Students, today in this video I want to discuss about the chapter number 12, that is mineral resources. Before starting this chapter, what are the main topics you need to learn? Just look at this. Number 1 is minerals and the definition of minerals. Number 2, types of the minerals. Number 3, characteristics of minerals. And last, that is the uses of different types of minerals. So here in 2 videos I'll cover up the entire chapter. So first, what is the topic? That is the definition of minerals. Now what do you understand by minerals? Minerals means everywhere you can find it. Okay? These minerals are nothing but they are the natural substances which have organic and inorganic in their origin. Basically, these are the natural substances. That means naturally they can be occurred in the surface of the earth or beneath the surface of the earth. Human beings cannot create any types of minerals. So this is the definition. So what is the definition? Minerals are the natural substances which has their inorganic and organic origin. Now, second topic, it is types. Before going to the types, I want to discuss some important examples of the minerals. What are they? Maybe iron ore, quartz, then bauxite, manganese. These all are the examples of minerals. Now, next is type. So here I have made one chart. It is already in your book. So what is this? On the basis of chemical and physical properties, because every object or substance has a particular chemical and physical property or characteristics, like minerals also. So minerals, if you divide the minerals on the basis of chemical and physical properties, you will get 2 different types of classification. Number 1, it is metallic, and number 2, non-metallic. So what is metallic? In this term, one word is present, that is metal. Obviously, when the minerals have their metallic form, then it is known as metallic minerals. Again, if you break the metallic minerals, you will get 2 different classes. One is ferrous, another one is non-ferrous. What are the ferrous metal or ferrous minerals? When in that particular mineral you will get more iron content, then it will be known as ferrous minerals. And the examples are iron ore, manganese. And then non-ferrous. Non-ferrous means obviously the iron content in such type of minerals will be very less. So the examples are copper and bauxite. So metallic minerals we have completed. Now let's move on to the next one, that is non-metallic. Non-metallic means these minerals have their organic and inorganic origin. Okay. So again, if you will break this, you will get 2 types of different minerals. One is organic, another one is inorganic. Organic means what? When the minerals are formed on the basis of the buried plant and animal lives, that is organic minerals. What are the examples? Coal. When you have studied the chapter rocks in your last class 9, there you have also studied the rock that is known as sedimentary rock. How does it form? When the sediments are compressed one after another in layer form, then it is formed the sedimentary rock. Okay, so when they are depositing, the sea plants and animals, they are also getting compressed. That's why you can find, like the fossil fuels in such type of minerals or such type of rocks. Same here in organic minerals also, you can find the fossil fuels or the mineral fuels. What are the basic meaning of this? The dead plants and animal bodies or the remains of such life forms can be there inside the minerals. Like coal, petroleum. These are the examples of organic minerals. Now last one is inorganic. Inorganic means obviously life forms will be not present there. The examples are mica, graphite. These are the examples of inorganic minerals. Now what is graphite? The lead of your pencil. It is made up of graphite. And mica, you know, in decoration, in cosmetics, there are huge percentage of mica present. Okay, so the classification of minerals is almost done. Now third topic is the characteristic. Characteristics means the basic features of the minerals. What are they? Number one, if I write here, minerals are the natural substances or natural object. Done. Number two, the distribution of minerals throughout the world is not at all even. That means everywhere you cannot find the same types of minerals, right? So, uneven distribution. This is another point. Number three, the minerals, like the relationship in the quantity and quality of the minerals is inverse. Inverse means opposite. Like where the quality of minerals is very high, there you can get very less amount of minerals, and vice versa. So here inverse relationship between quality and quantity. Now last but not the least, it is the minerals are really exhaustible product. Exhaustible means you cannot, or the nature cannot form the minerals quickly, and obviously when it will be finished up, you cannot reproduce it. That means it is an inexhaustible product. So these are the basic 4 characteristics of the minerals. Again, I am repeating this. Number 1, it is natural substances which has the origin of organic and inorganic. Number 2, they are unevenly distributed throughout the world. Number 3, there is an inverse or opposite relationship between the quality and the quantity of the minerals. Where you can find very high quality minerals, there the number or the amount of minerals will definitely be less. And last, it is this exhaustible product. You cannot, or the nature cannot form this quickly, or you cannot again reproduce it after it is finishing up. So these are the characteristics. Now the last point is the uses. What are the basic uses of minerals? Everywhere there is a need of minerals. Without minerals, we cannot lead our day-to-day life. Like in toothpaste. Okay, in toothpaste mineral is present. See, from the morning we use the toothpaste and there also mineral is present. Like the girls, they use generally the cosmetics, right? In cosmetics also minerals are there. Minerals are the backbone of all industries, like the iron and steel industry, which is the flourished industry throughout the world. Without the minerals, it is not possible to form or to develop such industry. In agricultural field also, minerals are working as a pesticides or the fertilizers. So see, everywhere, in every sector, mineral is very much important. That's why it is known as indispensable product. Indispensable means you have to use the minerals. Without this, you cannot lead your life properly. So these are the basic content of our first video. Now, in our next video, we will discuss about the rest of the part of this chapter. Thank you. Take care.